Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Adobe here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix fail to login error in Minecraft Pocket Edition. So it's really simple, and I'm going to be showing you guys for both the Minecraft Pocket Edition Play Store version, which means if you have bought it, and also the APK version, which most of you guys probably have. The APK version is the version that you have downloaded from any Chrome website. Anyway, so I'm going to be showing you guys for both of them, and starting off we're going to do with the licensed or the Play Store version, and all you have to do basically is go ahead and uninstall Minecraft and reinstall it. Now it's that simple. Basically just uninstall and reinstall Minecraft Pocket Edition, and then after that what you need to do is go ahead and open it up and then wait for some time and then go ahead and sign it, and also check if you are using mobile data or if you're using Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, it's better and increases chances. And now moving on to the unpaid or the APK version of Minecraft Pocket Edition. So firstly what you'll need to do is open up your favorite web browser, whatever it is, and I'll catch you guys there. And now once you guys are on your favorite web browser, what you'll need to do is go ahead and click on the link in the description down below. Alright, so just do that and then you'll be taken to this site. And then what you need to do, alright, so remember, just go ahead and uninstall your Minecraft Pocket Edition APK. Alright, just go ahead and uninstall that. Do not worry, all your worlds will still be there. And then what you need to do is come to this website by clicking on the link and scroll all the way till you see go to download page. Now what you need to do is go ahead and click on this, and now what it's going to do is going to show you to this download page, and over here you can basically select any version of Minecraft Pocket Edition that you want to download. If you want to download the latest 1.16.200 or the latest beta 1.16.210.53, you can go ahead and download that. And what's awesome is that you're going to be able to sign into your to your Xbox account and play just fine. And this is basically how you fix it for the Minecraft Pocket Edition APK version. Just uninstall Minecraft and then reinstall it from this website, and that's basically it for this video. So if you guys find this video useful, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Now goodbye.